So, hello. I am here, and I got a microphone finally. And the reason you're really probably wondering, why there was no audio recorded videos on Monday, and the reason for that is because, well, yesterday on Monday we couldn't get the microphone because the store was closed, and today it wasn't closed. So yeah, we're here, and I'm gonna just show you things I do in Royal High, how I get candy the fastest way, and yeah, so let's go. But so I'm gonna show you the Autumn Town update today, basically. Yeah, that's my plan. I'm going to apple bob. So the first way is just like that, apple bobbing. Now you can move around every year, and it'll take you 2 years to get 20 candies. Or you can see, I didn't win it that time. But so let me explain to you guys. So you need to first pull out model. Right there. You're going to go to an apple bobbing spot, whatever spot you want. Whatever spot you think is lucky for you. Whatever spot that works. I can't even get set up somewhere though. It's not working. This is killing me. Okay, there. Quickly hit the clown dance while you're apple bobbing, and it'll do that. And, what? That's not supposed to happen. We need to redo this again. We'll do that. Then we'll just do that. And we can actually just wait here for as long as we want. And look at that. It automatically gets us candy. Here, I'll show you guys. Look at this. Look as my diamonds go up. See, I just want another 10 candies. Not diamonds, candies. I'm stupid. Sorry, guys. But so, these people... Why was I propped up there? That is not how that works. No. No, no, no. Good plan, boys. Good plan. Yeah, good plan. Okay, I fixed it, I think. If it shoots me up to the top of the box again, I'm gonna start crying. Okay, good. It worked this time. But as you can see, you can earn 10 candies. And actually, so something I find is, if you put on basically any dance, like the Renman dance, Star Power, Clown dance, or the Night dance, those will all actually work to the point where they actually make you win the apples more, so you can get more candy, and it takes you less time to do this stuff and more time to go do actual real life things as well. And you can just come every 19 minutes and check on it and move your character. Who knew? This is one of the #1 things people say quite frequently in the Autumn Town update videos. But so now I'm going to show you the rest of them. So if we turn off the clown dance, let's go. Yeah. Anyway, so now... So, I don't think this works on mobile. Comment down below if you know how to put it on mobile, and I'll do a video about that for you people that play on mobile and don't know how to... Excuse me, lady. Did you just hit me in the face with your wing? My goodness. I already finished the maze, so I don't even know what she's talking about. What? Okay. What 3-letter word? Excuse me, lady. Excuse me. That was extremely rude. People are just running me over. And then I just get in the car. Okay. Never mind that. So, as I was saying, the next thing, as you can see, there's cars. So I don't know if this works on mobile. If you guys know how to do it, then I will literally just guys, comment down how to, and I will do a video on it, like how to spawn a car on mobile, because a bunch of people were asking me that question the other day. Anyway, I'm just so bad at driving. Actually, this is the easy way of driving to the next part. Look at this. We just crashed our car. Okay. Why? The water is fake. It's a picture. Literally, a picture of nothing. Okay. Go up here. Okay, so we're just gonna go through here. Yeah. This is the fastest way, actually. Oop. Okay. So this is the next way to get candies in the brand new Autumn Town place. Because if you're wondering what we need these candies for, as you can see, so I actually, last year there was like candy to diamonds, or diamonds to candy converter. And for sale, there was like the goth Lolita sleeves like I'm wearing right now and the witch hat I'm wearing. And also these little tiny spider earrings here. Let's use the crystal ball. These little tiny spider earrings. Those things were available last year, and I thought that I would never get them, but in fact, so I bought them all this year, and the thing we're saving up for. So these are the old accessories. I'm trying to get this and this thing, and maybe this thing. I don't know, yo. Let's go. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to get candies. As you can see right now, I'm at 3,577. I can't wait to be at 4,000 because that will be the most candies I've ever had in my life. Even though literally it's been only like half a month. Do the creepy dolly sit if you can't pick up the candy. Megan, okay, my way of picking up all the candy, if you're wearing the Shadow Empress or Miss Lady Rose boots or whatever they're called, the Dear Dolly heels, sorry, you can actually either do the creepy dolly sit or take them off and wear like any other shoe other than the two big clunky boots. But anyway, other than that, as you can see, we're at 3,593 now. That's a whole bunch more than when we started. That's about like 20 more. 20 whatever more. Oh my god, you hid from me, and how dare you. I shall eat you now. Anyway, so, as you can see, 98 now. We're at 3,598 now. So, no, I am doing a video. Sorry, guys. So, now, as you can see, we're at 3,606. Like, I'm so excited. This is so much candy. I don't even know what to do with it. But I need 10,000 candies to get the nocturnal kitty ears. So that's what we're going to try to do today. But I'll need to do, like, part 2 and whatever. Let's go. This is a lot of work, but I mean it pays off. Because if you didn't get the accessories last year, then you get the accessories this year. And the accessories are pretty cool, especially the ones from last year. I prefer the witch hat from last year than the witch hat from this year. I don't like the nightmare witch hat as much. This is the witch hat that I actually wear. since I got it. I'm just gonna, okay, finally. No, Slenderman, yeah, guys, did I tell you that Slenderman can kill you? That's the thing. Okay, and I'm also gonna show you guys, you can run away from Slenderman, by the way, but like I've ran away from him many times and survived him. But anyway, so guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Yeet.